The University of Tampa and Hillsborough County Schools in Florida are now under investigation by the Department of Education for alleged incidents of discrimination. This comes as the department's list of ongoing investigations continues to grow in the aftermath of the Israel-Hamas war. Columbia University in New York is also facing a second investigation. These investigations are being conducted by the Department of Education's Office for Civil Rights, which is responsible for ensuring that universities and K-12 schools provide a discrimination-free environment for all students. Under Title V of the Civil Rights Act, any person or organization can file a complaint with the Office for Civil Rights if they believe there has been discrimination. According to a department official, the Office for Civil Rights is now dealing with an unprecedented number of hate investigations. The official expressed concern over the proliferation of hate on school campuses and the lack of investigative staff to handle the influx of cases. This year alone, the Office for Civil Rights has opened a total of 27 Title V investigations, compared to 15 last year and only 2 in 2021. The office also investigates other types of rights violations, such as sexual harassment. The Department of Education is making a concerted effort to address these concerns and demonstrate its responsiveness to the public, Congress, and the administration. Jonathan Fansmith, Senior Vice President of Government Relations and National Engagement at the American Council on Education, stated that the department is taking a vigilant role in combating anti-Semitism on college campuses. The Office for Civil Rights aims to resolve investigations within 6 months. If schools fail to comply with the office's recommendations, they could potentially lose federal funding. However, investigations typically conclude with the school agreeing to address the incident or implementing policy changes if there is a systemic issue. The University of Tampa confirmed that the investigation is related to an incident that occurred in September, prior to the Hamas terror attack on Israel in October. The university stated that it is fully cooperating with the request for information but cannot provide further comment due to student privacy laws. Columbia University has also expressed its willingness to cooperate with the investigation, while Hillsborough County Schools has not yet responded to requests for comment. Tensions have been rising on college campuses in relation to the ongoing Israel-Hamas war. A Cornell University student was recently charged for making online threats against Jewish students, and the University of Pennsylvania reported anti-Semitic emails sent to its staff. The Office for Civil Rights opened investigations into the University of Pennsylvania and Wellesley College following complaints filed by the Brandeis Center, a Jewish civil rights legal organization. Kenneth Marcus, founder and chairman of the Brandeis Center, believes that the Office for Civil Rights could be doing more to address the issue. He previously headed the office under the Trump administration and stated that the number of investigations is only a small fraction of the incidents occurring across the country. Earlier this month, the Department of Education issued guidance to colleges and K-12 schools, reminding them of their legal obligation to address incidents of discrimination, including against Jewish, Israeli, Muslim, Arab, or Palestinian individuals. The department also updated its discrimination complaint form to include protection against discrimination based on race, color, or national origin for students who are perceived to be Jewish, Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, or have other shared ancestry or ethnic characteristics.